Welcome to this splendidly renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that's poised for immediate occupancy. From the moment you arrive, the freshly painted exterior exudes curb appeal, setting the stage for the exceptional living experience within. Step inside and the interior reveals a ton of updates, including fresh paint throughout, new hardwood flooring on the main level, and recently installed bedroom carpeting, ensuring comfort and style throughout the home. The master bedroom, a true oasis, has been masterfully designed, featuring a brand new tiled shower and double vanities that lend a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Both full bathrooms have received modern upgrades, making them not only aesthetically pleasing, but highly functional. The kitchen has been thoughtfully outfitted with new stainless steel appliances, all of which are included with the home. Convenience reigns supreme with a separate laundry room and an oversized one-car attached garage, offering practical solutions to your daily needs. Stepping into the backyard, you'll discover a serene outdoor oasis with a newly constructed 12x12 deck, complete with built-in seating and a swing perfect for al fresco relaxation. The added alley access to the rear of the property enhances the overall convenience of the home. Lastly, maintenance-free vinyl windows contribute to both energy efficiency and the home's timeless aesthetic. This property is in a great location and offers great opportunities. Call Linda Carper today.